One mistake's all it takes. John Denver into the side of a cliff. Boom, gone. Good morning, or yeah, good afternoon, I guess, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome into the Trader Nerd Show. I am your lovable, cuddable host, Sweet Bobby. And real traders never trade by themselves. They trade with their fellow nerds. We got Dwayne in the house, Hal, iPhone, Jim B, Matt Jolly Wally, Roll Tide. We got Mo in the house. We got Notional Ed in the house. We got Schwaz in the house. We got Stacy in the house. And good to be with you all. Ladies and gentlemen, the market, I mean, there ain't much for us to talk about. It is doing nothing. Look at this. It is flat on the NASDAQ. It is absolutely flat. Look at that. No change at all on the E-minis. This is amazing. It's almost as if we're waiting on something. Has everybody, what does volume look like? Volume, looks, I guess, okay. But the AD has been going up. Now, watch this. VIX is up a little bit. Look at this. We're in the 14 handle. What does that telegraph? Anything? Does that mean we've got a down move coming? I don't know. AD is negative 61. I'm not sure what this means, but it looks like we're waiting on a catalyst to make the markets move. Let's look at our big green monster. Big green monster on NQ is overbought, so we anticipate a pull down into this area. We are at the point of control, however, so it may lump up there for a while, but this is a bearish chart for us in the NASDAQ. Let's look at the E-minis. It's a little different story. The E-minis are fairly priced, and the point of control is up here. So, who knows? We really don't know. Got no clue on what the market's going to do. We never do. We just kind of play our cards close to our vest and do what we should do. Look at this. We have come out of a small uptrend. Now we are in a period of consolidation. Where will the market go after consolidation? It is my belief that the E-minis will probably start bouncing upward again into the long-term upward trend. That's what we think. We're having a nice day in the market. Let's see if we can see how we're doing. Let's see. I thought we was having a nice day. Well, our sales were down 80 there, and on this other one, we're down 24. So, who knows? This it was earlier today, we're up 200, so that's fine. Let's see what our positions look like. Remember, we've got that covered strangle now on TQQQ. Hold on a minute. Let me make sure I get my Walmart off there. Hold on a second. Let's see. Make sure I just get this account. Get rid of Walmart. And I've spent more time in Walmart the last couple of weeks than I have than probably the last couple of years. So Walmart is on the screen. All right. So we got ES, we've got our Bill, and we've got our TQQQ taking it a little bit on the chin. Where's it taking it on the chin at? Our 260 something shares are down $88 on the day. And we've got that covered call that is up $44, up $22 today. Waka waka. And then we sold a put. So we've got a covered strangle in place. And that one's down by about the amount that the call is up. So those are kind of equaling out. Not much to see there. I would love to buy TQQ's at 85. We wouldn't mind buying it at 74. Remember the other day, this is just going to show you how big of a move that TQQQ had over the last week or so. The last put that I saw sold just a couple of weeks ago was 60. Now I'm selling a 74 put. So TQQQ has had a big, nice little run, and our little account's doing good. I think we're almost at 79,000. Let's see, where are we at? 79. Where's my darn thing at? We're almost we're at 78,588. We're getting close to 79,000. I thought we started around 75, 76, something like that. So our little TQQ plan so far is doing good. Let's see how our little hedge is doing. It's dwindling, but that's fine. We'll pop it back up when need be. We want to see how our ES positions are doing, and we want to see how our TQQ positions are doing. We don't care about Bill. And so we go to risk analysis, and showing negative there, but we're going to move that up to 40,000 points, and we're going to go to points. Wow, that doesn't look good at all, does it? What am I doing wrong? Let's see. This and this and this. says we're only up 1191, but that is with TQQQ going down 90%. We don't think it's going to go down 90%. We're basing it on a 60% move to the downside. So we still got $11,000 worth of protection. That's good enough. I could easily put on a new hedge now and get that up to 40 or 50,000. But why? Why's the point of doing that? I don't think there's no need to do that. Notional Ed says, hey, all, waiting on tomorrow's CPI numbers. Look at Ed. I watched a documentary on him, and he was so busy with his calls that he didn't see his kids grow up. Then when he realized it, he died. Oh, that's sad about John Denver. That's very sad. Hey, and on the 13th, y'all, on the Disney Plus, they're going to have like a documentary on Elton John. Which I think would be very, 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 very good. I love Elton John. I just see him as a troubled soul. It's almost like, he has trouble finding happiness. Hopefully he has now with his two kids and his husband and everything, but he's just been a troubled soul through the years, and you can feel his pain sometimes in music. And Notional Ed says next week's FOMC meeting on Wednesday. So maybe we're just all gathered around, but it looks like the volatility was up a little bit. Let's look at VIX. So we've got our hedge in place, right? We've got our hedge in place. Let's see what VIX is looking like today. VIX is up some. Well, it says it's down some. Let's look at the chart on VIX, if we can look at it and scroll in. I said if we could scroll in on the chart on VIX. How do you scroll in on the chart on VIX? Hold on a minute. 1 day, 20 years. Anyway, VIX, that's not right. December, what is this? Hold on a second. Let's go VIX, and then let's go chart. Let's go off chart, and let's go back to chart. Well, VIX is definitely not 85. Not sure why that's doing that. Look at that. That's crazy. This is TQQ chart. This is what this is. This is the TQQ chart. I'm not sure why it's not letting me trade the VIX. But anyway, VIX is 14.17, says it's down a little bit, but it was 13 point something yesterday. So I guess that's all I've got for today, y'all. There's not much on it. We've got a covered strangle. We will do a 111 or 112 if we get a really good drop in the market. Yesterday I was watching Kramer, and he said that was the biggest drop yesterday that we've had like in so many weeks or something. I can't believe I was watching Kramer, but nonetheless, when we get maybe another little move down, we'll probably do a 111, 112, see how we're doing. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I love each and every one of you. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season, and I will see y'all tomorrow.